Hey, what's up everyone? Anthony here, and I want to share with you guys my neighborhood in Playas de Tijuana. There's some really big homes. You can see this brown one. It's a massive one. I would say at least 8 bedrooms there. There's this white one behind me, at least 6 bedroom minimum. This one, they just constructed this white one here. This one nice as well. So this whole neighborhood that I'm at has some really nice homes. Some are very new, some are old, some are fixed up and modernized, and some they just kept it the same. This person old school, right? 2 balconies with some stairs. And then you can see here there's some nicer ones as well. These units over here. So sometimes these homes, they come up for rent. This one behind me, this was up for rent not too long ago. And you can see this red one, blue one, gray one. Those are really 3 big ones. And don't let the front fool you. Like, these homes cut deep. They go very deep. The ones I'm showing you just now back there, the red, the gray, and the blue one, at least, I would say, at least 4 or 5 bedrooms. All right, hands down. But yeah, this is the neighborhood. You'll see many cars parked out here. And see here, it's really, and I like this style too, because you can see it's some of these homes, the way it's set up, it's very cozy. Here's another one. And most of these car plates you will see, they're from California, right? Like behind me here, that Centra California plate. So you'll see a lot of people from California, and yeah, they live out here, or they made their money in the US, in the States, and they come back here and invest in a piece of land a long time ago, right? California plate, another California plate. So you can see, right? Nice homes. And some are just really, really big. So here's another huge one, and they cut this into, I believe this person, the owner of this building, cut it into maybe 6 units and then rent it out, each floor. You can see this is a small one, nice and cozy, really just chill. And you'll get all types of, and it's what's interesting too is as I'm walking down this block, every home, there's not a single home that look the same. Every single home that you see on the street have their own style, their own design, their own taste, their own flavor. Everyone has their own style. I'm gonna go to the corner over there. There's one home that's just built like a castle, literally like a castle. You can see this one's pretty modern, right? And then as I circle around, you're gonna see, and maybe I can share with you, there's one that looks, I call it, the ones that are extremely big, I call them compounds, because they're just massive. Like, it just seems like some VIP, right? Some government people, or some people that just are really wealthy live in the compounds. I'm gonna show you that. So there's 2 over here on my left side. I'm gonna show you guys. The one in the middle was up for rent, and then I was thinking about it, but someone beat me to it. But you can see here, that one is the corner one, and then that big one right here, I like that double story one with a big door, the big black door right there, and you can see the windows there and the garage, really nice. All right, so the home that I was telling you guys about is this one here. It's this is like a compound / castle, but old school. This is a corner one right over here. There you go. You see that black garage extends all the way to the corner. You can see up there, it is massive. This place is huge. I don't even know what it is. You can call it a compound, but it's definitely the size of a compound, but it's also in a castle. I'll give you guys a better view so you can see what I mean. It's absolutely insane how big it is. Look at that. It's from here all the way back there, and it stretches further down to the left, so you guys can see all the way down. You see that? That's all them. That whole corner all the way down. Then they have some big apartments there, condos over there. And then here's the other white one that I was telling you guys about. That's the compound. And this goes deep. There's like a garage there, but then it goes all the way down to the beach. So you'll see there's just some homes that are just extraordinary big. Like some are just outlandishly big, outsized. This one's cool too, very modern, really big too. I would say it's a corner home, at least 6 bedrooms on that one, and then you have a smaller one here in the middle, that pink one. But either way, they cut deep too. They go very deep. On the left side is over there. That's the beach. And the access way is just further up. There's another nice home here. So then we're approaching some more condos, very affordable condos you can rent. And actually there's signs out there, signs in English, says apartment for rent, right? So you can see they're targeting people from the States. You can see here, right? Apartment rent, look at that. Right, so I remember I was telling you all that not a single one looked the same. They all have their own style and flavor. So you can see literally every home. This guy painted it all green. This guy is all blue. This is a smaller one here. And then we have more condominiums. 1 and 2 bedroom, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. Here's available for rent too. It says Villas del Mar. And that's gated, right? And it looks more modern. So pretty nice. You guys can see the back. And all those condos, they're overlooking the beach. So you'll be able to see the beach. You'll probably have a balcony on the beach side. And on the top, there's a penthouse too. This one's a really nice one, actually. And you know, like if I can build up enough capital, if I were to ever own a home and buy a home, this would be something like this. This is like my flavor. It's white, black and white, 2 garage, big door. If you look behind this, the whole home, this is probably at least 10 bedroom. It is massive. It's one of those what I call a compound. It is huge. And it is, yeah, it's just really, I like it. It's just nice and clean. And it has a modern aesthetic to it. Yeah, and then we have, let's see, these homes over here as well. This one is more like a wood gate, and it goes back down there. And it cuts deep, and it has overlooking the beach, overlooking the access way on the other side of the boardwalk. So where I'm at in this neighborhood is pretty much the other side of the boardwalk. It's the middle access way. The boardwalk is the main access way, and then we have a middle access way. And then here I can show you guys there's a piece of land that's available, and whoever owns it has not decided to sell it. It's just sitting there. This is a raw land. So you guys see behind me, it's just this land there. And it's funny, the person hasn't even put any sign to sell it, or it's just there. And it's been there for a while, because I used to live in these condos right here. I used to live here on the first level. Awesome view. Look at this home too, right? So I'm really giving you guys a really good tour of my neighborhood. You can see this is a more upper class neighborhood, and people are living nice. And the landlords that own these properties, the home value is at least $350,000 and up. The big compounds, the one I mentioned before, I would say at least 7 figures. They can get up to that high. And then let's take a look at, this is another compound, this home here, that corner one. It's a massive one too, 2 garage, big buildings. So yeah, and this one here is a corner one, pretty big too. Has a second story. And I'm walking back to my place, getting close to there. And once I get there, I'm gonna show you guys my neighbor whose home is up for rent. Okay, so this is another home that's across the street from my place. Again, this is one of those homes that I would say it's like a compound, 3 stories, at least 8 bedrooms. And we're approaching my place now. There's the other white one I was talking about earlier. Big windows, very nice. And yeah, we're getting close to my place. And yeah, so here we are. So you guys, if you've seen my content before, this is my place here. Okay, the big wooden door and all of that right in the middle, right there. Right, so all of that, and I pay less than $1,500 per month. And then here's my neighbor, so you guys can see. And this one is up for rent. It's a 3-bedroom. Okay, 3-bedroom. I believe there's 4 stories too. There's a bedroom on the 4th floor, and they have a little terrace up there you can see. Okay, and then show you guys where the access way to the beach is. The beach is literally right there. Go down there, you're at the beach. And then the main road for Playas, it's called Paseo de Playas de Tijuana. That's the main street. You take that street, it'll take you anywhere. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This gives you guys a tour, show you guys what it looks like in my neighborhood and what kind of homes are available and what kind of give you idea price ranges anywhere between $1,300 up to $1,900 or $1,800, depending on what you're looking for and how many bedrooms, right? So if you want to see anything else, you guys want to know more about Playas de Tijuana, just leave a comment and I'll check it out and see what else I can grab and share with you guys. All right, have a great day wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one.